kind of stepping up my game on this one. I've got a tablecloth. Anyway, hi-ho friends. I'm going to answer a question. I got asked if I still use the Patrol Pack or did I do a video about it and just toss it aside. To answer that, yes, I still have it. I still use it. Originally, it was my EDC, but then I switched over to my new one because it's less conspicuous. I find that anytime you use anything military every day, people give you the funny look. So what is it used for? Well, this has become my cordage pack, and we're going to do a quick pack dump of it, and I'll show you what I mean. I use this for all my base camp setups. Anytime I'm doing a meetup or somewhere where I'm going to put in a base camp, this is the pack I go to, and we're going to do a quick pack dump. So we got cordage. We got, I guess this is, they call this HD 550. We've got mule tape, 550, more 550. Old school, I can't remember the name of this rope, but this is great. This is for the hold down the big tarps, and it's already set up with the slip knots on there and an attachment on the front. There should be 4 of those. More cordage. More. You cannot have enough mule tape, friends. I've got tons of it. Poly rope. More cordage. Uh-oh, what's this? Could it be? Yes, it is more mule tape. Go figure. And we keep on going down to the bottom, and we got more of the hemp rope. I guess that's what you call it. More 550 that needs some maintenance because it's real dirty. More cordage. Oh, now we start to get into some of the gooder items in there. Hammer for tent stakes. My old Boy Scout axe. And let's pop it open real quick if we can. And be careful because it is very freaking sharp. Yep, this is from my scouting days. Back, I wore the logo off. All right, that's it for this compartment here. And yes, I still have the Eternal frame for it, but I'm not exactly sure what I did with it. Now, for the front section, shock cord or bungee cord, a ton of freaking tent stakes. Fun fact, every one of these tent stakes was liberated from a homeless camp that I cleaned up. Oh, these here, these are tarp pullouts. I've got a whole bunch of those. So basically, anything I need, more tarp pullouts, to set up a base camp is in here. Oh, what do we have here? More 550. Tie down strap. Not sure what I use that for. Oh, here we go. Oh, can you guess? More 550. These, I got a ton of them. I make them myself. These are my own tent stakes. What these are landscaping or timber nails. And then I weld a flat washer or a fender washer on the top of them. And throw some orange paint on. What else is in the goodie bag? Oh, these are toggles for my teepee, backup toggles. There, got the little cut in there, put the cordage in there, pull it to the teepee. What else we got? There should be, oh, more 550. More 550 that's getting ready to come apart. A ton more tent stakes, and there should be one more item that I'm not seeing. Oh, there it is. This right here is what is called a firewood carrier. I line all the firewood up on the inside of it, and then you take it, you lock it into place, and you can pick the firewood up and carry it back to your camp. So there you go, friends. There's been a quick pack dump of my Patrol Pack. Yes, I still use it. Yes, it's for base camp only. And no, I won't carry it more than a half a mile because it's freaking heavy. There you go, friends. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.